Over the course of 100 years, a single stretch of asphalt has grown into a legend. Route 66, the Mother Road. This September 5th through 11th, the official Rat Rod Tour unleashes its greatest journey yet. A full-scale invasion of steel, rust, and raw American grit. From the deserts of Nevada to the croplands of central Illinois, an army of hand-built beasts will thunder across 8 states and over 1,800 miles of the legendary highway that helped shape a nation. This is more than just a tour. It's a tribute to blue-collar rat rod and hot rod culture and an American spirit that refuses to fade. This is the 2026 official Rat Rod Tour Route 66 Invasion. A journey of a lifetime, 100 years in the making. We're not just celebrating history, we're all becoming part of it. There are no fees or ticket purchases required to join the official Rat Rod Tour. A full detailed itinerary of the 2026 official Rat Rod Tour is coming soon. To keep up with regular updates, follow Rat Rod Magazine on Facebook and YouTube.